What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be going over my toolbox. So, starting on the top. This box is just for my bike. It's a tube. Not really important. Got an empty Klein bag. I don't know what this is going to be yet. There's another Klein bag. This just has all of my Allen keys in it. It's got Milwaukee. Don't know what brand this is. I just bought it. And hex keys. That's really what's on that bag. My Milwaukee bag is just really just a catch-all. I got dividers for my pack out. Black light. Little knife, little measuring tape I don't use, stuff that I barely use. Over here is just like pens and stuff. In this bag, it's just miscellaneous stuff, really nothing important. 2-foot level. Sorry, it's kind of cold. That's why I'm trying to get this on. And this organizer thing, I got my Milwaukee right angle adapter for my drill. 3/8 extension. And this is my good Husky knife. I love this knife. So this is a magnet. You can extend it and say like you drop it. So say if this is like a little crevice, right? You drop a little screw in between like a oven or something. You can extend this and like really get under there, and it's a magnet. So that's my magnet holder. It hooks right on there. See? Hooks right on there. That's my little magnet. This is a 1/4 extension, and just some long 7/16 bit socket, and then a 13 socket. And this one, it's just my safety glasses. Got 2 batteries, Milwaukee batteries, 5 amp hour battery, fully charged. And then over here, 2 amp hour battery, fully charged. Gloves. I think that's all that's there. Yeah, just gloves. I got my American Eagle hard hat. This is just a little decoration. I don't use this measuring tape. Then my magnet holder. And this is my tool bag that I don't use. And then a wood saw. And then if I just move this stuff out the way real quick. Got my air compressor also. Move that over. Actually just sit on it. So here we have my level. Linemen's cutter or wire cutters. These screwdrivers, this is just a regular Lutz 6-in-1 screwdriver. So you got this 3/8 nut driver, and then it's the same bits, they're just bigger. And then of course I have my Milwaukee 11-in-1. You already know what the deal is. Got my screwdrivers, not insulated. My circuit tester, my Milwaukee knife. Gotta get a new blade for that. Wire strippers. It goes all the way up to a 20 gauge. And then just got my pencil, my Home Depot pencil, Milwaukee marker, and then my outlet tester. That's what I got over there. Moving over here, all my screwdrivers. So they're mainly Milwaukee. I just got a couple of these over here, and then this, I forget what that's called. Then my beater. Beater means you can just take a hammer and just pow. These are the bits for this screwdriver. It's a bit screwdriver. That's what I'm trying to say. Over here, all of my wrenches. I need to get ratchet wrenches soon. So you really just got like adjustable wrenches, regular wrenches. No clue what this thing is. Bottle openers, Allen keys. This middle drawer, you got all of my channel locks. So you got green, red, husky, silver. Then my pliers, needle nose. You got husky wire strippers that I don't use. Then we got my snips. What these are for is sheet metal. Got my C-lock. I love this thing because when I'm working on cars or whatever, I can just use this. It's a great tool, if you ask me. Because, like, say if I'm doing brakes and I need to redo the brakes, I can just put the caliper and the brake pad right here and just squeeze them together. I love this tool. Let me just close it. This is a level I never fucking use. This is like a basketball or a football pump. I got 2 levels right here. Flashlight. Works great. Headlamp, and then 3 measuring tapes. Under here, I got 3 hammers, Milwaukee flashlight, impact hammer drill. Got my crowbar, Milwaukee crowbar, and then Milwaukee nail puller. 24-piece 1/4 socket set. I use this all the time. Just put it on there. Ratchet. And then I got a 3/8. Here is my Klein Tools pouch. It's supposed to be for a meter, but all I have in here right now is just wire meter. It works. So what you do, take this out, stick in a wire or a cable, a camera cable, any type of cable, and then it tests. So you got tone and off. My neck hurts so bad. Speed square, and then my 25-piece 1/4 Milwaukee socket set. Alright, moving on to the bottom. We got my Husky kneeling pad that I'll actually use right now. And I got my metal saw. Or it could be wood, I don't know. And getting into the pack outs. This is just all my bits. Literally all my bits. So, let me zoom in. So right here you got double-sided. Then Phillips heads. square heads and hex heads. And up here's just like locking bit. You got locking bit and bit holders, nut drivers. This is my regular on the day bit. You got a bit holder again, just this. And the same as the bottom, all of those are just like hex heads, Phillips, flat heads, hex bits, really everything. This one is pack out. Is all like, so you got nails for my nail gun. You got just a couple miscellaneous twist bits, and then here is just my DeWalt pack twist bits. All of those. So it goes up to 1/16 all the way to 532. Or it goes up to 532, but I would say it goes up to 1/2. There's that. This bin just has a couple of light bulbs. Gotta be careful with this bin. This bin right here is a storage bin. So it just has like my respirator mask, earplugs, measuring tape I don't use, cleavers, unpackaged clips. I got my pegs, some zip ties, thumbtacks, little level, just miscellaneous stuff I don't use. This pack out. This pack out's my favorite. So you got a whole bunch of wire nuts, wire staples, zip ties, little drywall screws, nails, gloves, and then just a catch-all bin. Bolts, maybe some washers in there. Washers, wood screws and mini bolts. And I got my longest drywall screws, medium drywall screws, and these are my anchor screws. Got an unpackaged bin. And that's really that pack out. I gotta start putting locks on these. Alright, so let's put all this back. I'm getting too old for this shit. And then over here is just a couple of my Milwaukee bags, my Husky bag catch-all, screwdrivers I don't use, and in here is all my electrical stuff. So you got non-used outlet, extensions, wire covers, weather guard, and then in here is a couple of my bike parts, and down here is a tire repair kit and my nail gun. And that, my friends, is everything we have today. So thank you for watching, and yeah.